Worried about the safety of your money with a digital bank? In a world where phone theft and online scams are becoming more and more common, it's a valid concern. But what if your bank was actually designed to protect you from these very things? That's the promise of Monzo, a digital bank built with some seriously smart security features. And while they do a lot to keep you safe, the biggest factor in protecting your account is still you. So today, we're breaking down the key Monzo security tips you need to know to keep your account safe and sound. First up, let's talk about the basics, logging in. Unlike traditional banks, Monzo doesn't use a password. Instead, they use magic links sent to your email or QR codes to log you in. This means there's no password for a scammer to steal or guess. But it also means that your email security is your first line of defense. So, make sure you're using a strong, unique password for your email account and, if you can, enable two-factor authentication. Next, the most important feature you need to enable, biometric security. This is your fingerprint or Face ID. Every time you open the app or authorize a payment, Monzo will ask for your biometric data. This is crucial, because even if someone gets hold of your phone and passcode, they can't get into your Monzo account without your face or finger. Make sure only your biometrics are registered on your device. Now for some of Monzo's industry-leading features. Have you heard of their added security? This is a game changer. You can set up daily allowances for big payments or withdrawals from savings pots. If you try to go over that amount, Monzo will require an extra check. This could be confirming the transaction from a known location like your home, getting a trusted contact to approve it, or even scanning a secret QR code that you've printed out and stored somewhere safe. These features are optional, but they add a huge layer of protection against phone thieves and high-pressure scams. Speaking of scams, here's a rule to live by: Monzo will never, ever call you out of the blue and ask you to move money to a safe account. If someone calls claiming to be from Monzo, hang up immediately. You can also use the in-app call status feature to check if a call from them is legitimate. It will show a clear "we're calling you" message in the app if it's really them. Finally, keep an eye on your notifications. Monzo sends you instant alerts for every single transaction. This is your personal fraud detection system. If you see a payment you don't recognize, you can report it instantly right from the app. Staying safe with your money is all about using the tools available to you. By enabling Monzo's built-in security features and staying vigilant against scams, you can have peace of mind knowing your account is as secure as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.